Rain across eastern parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. That will eventually become confined to the northeast of Scotland, and for the rest of us it's sunshine and showers, some of which will be heavy and thundery. I'll have all the details throughout this morning's programme. Good morning to you too. What we have this morning is some rain and also some showers, and some of the showers through the course of today are likely to be heavy and also thundery, and they'll be slow moving as well because there's not much of a breeze around. So we've got some heavy rain at the moment across counties Antrim and Down. We've also got some thundery showers across northwest Wales. They'll tend to ease, and we've got rain moving northwards across Scotland, which will eventually become confined to the northeast. Now in between we'll see showers develop. Those will be the heavy and thundery ones. Sunshine in between as well, and with the weather front very close to East Anglia and Kent, we could see some rain at times, just clipping, for example, the coasts of Norfolk and Suffolk. Now temperatures today 14 to about 21 degrees, so just down a notch or two on yesterday. Through this evening and overnight, many of the showers will fade, but we'll see some more across the Midlands, moving up into northeast England. And if we follow this front up, you can see how it also clips northeast Scotland. It's not going to be a cold night. Overnight lows for most in double figures. So tomorrow we still have this rain across the far northeast of the country, a lot of dry weather, a lot of showers around, and with the breeze picking up tomorrow, the showers will move through a bit faster than they're going to do today, but some of them could still be on the heavy side. And then later on in the day we'll see a new weather front coming into the west of Northern Ireland, and that is going to bring us some rain. Temperatures tomorrow 13 in the north to 22 or 23 in the south. Now getting Charlie. Charlie, far too young to remember that. I think my mum might have told me about it.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Good morning, everybody. This morning there is some rain in the forecast, and there are also some heavy showers. Some of those will be thundery and slow moving as well, but in between there will be some sunny spells. In fact, talking of Wimbledon, if you're heading there today, there is a chance of a shower, so make sure you take your brolly with you. Temperatures today a little bit down on yesterday, and we're looking at light winds, which of course is why the showers are slow moving. Now we've got this clutch of weather fronts currently producing some rain to the east of Northern Ireland, North Wales, and the whole lot is moving northwards across Scotland, taking its rain with it, and eventually that will become confined to the far northeast. Now we'll see further showers develop. We've got some at the moment, but more of them will develop through the course of the day. Heavy and thundery, sunshine in between, or at least bright skies, and another weather front just clipping the coastline of East Anglia and Kent at times could produce a little bit of rain right in the east. Most will stay dry. Temperatures 14 to about 21 degrees. Now through this evening and overnight, a lot of the showers will fade, but we'll have a cluster of them which could be heavy and thundery around the Midlands, moving up into northeast England. Meanwhile, our weather front drifts northwards. We'll see some heavy rain for a time actually in Aberdeenshire, and most of us staying in double figures. So here's our weather front bringing that heavy rain into Aberdeenshire, as it will do again tomorrow, before eventually pushing up into the Northern Isles. And then later on in the day, another weather front will bring some rain in across Northern Ireland and eventually into Wales. So eventually we see that rain push up to the northeast. Again, more showers develop behind it. Tomorrow, again, there's the potential for them to be heavy and thundery, but more of a brisk wind tomorrow, so they will move through that bit quicker. And here's the rain I was telling you about coming into Northern Ireland and later in through Wales. Temperatures up a touch tomorrow, 13 to about 22 degrees. Then for Saturday, weather front moves from the west towards the east, and it's going to bring some rain with it. Drier conditions in the far southeast though, whereas in the northwest we're looking at a plethora of showers, and some of them will merge to give some longer spells of rain. Temperatures 14 to about 23 in Norwich. Then as we head into the latter part of the weekend, we've got this Azores high really building, and it's going to be with us into next week as well. So that should settle things down. Now on Sunday itself, there'll be a lot of dry weather around. One or two showers, depending on your point of view. You'll be unlucky if you catch one, but more persistent rain coming in across the far northwest of Scotland. Temperatures again ranging from about 13 to 22 degrees. That Azores high looks very much like it's going to remain with us into next week. Now if it does, that will settle the weather down, and if 22 degrees is not high enough for you in terms of temperatures, it looks at the moment very much like as we head towards the end of next week, temperatures especially in southern areas are going to rise once again. So we're looking at the mid-20s to potentially the high 20s. So that's something we are keeping a very close eye on because, of course, it's ages away yet. Now getting Charlie.
Only ages away in meteorological terms. Like, for the rest of us, we're kind of thinking, well, I'm thinking, you know me, I love the heat, so I'm going to keep a very close eye, Carol.
You're absolutely right, Naga. In meteorological terms, so much can change, as we all know, in the space of a week, in the space of a day even sometimes.
Thanks.
Good morning. It's a wet start to the day across eastern parts of Northern Ireland, northwest Wales and Scotland, with that rain eventually becoming confined to the northeast of Scotland. And for the rest of us, we're looking at sunshine and showers, but some of those showers will be heavy and thundery. I'll have all the details throughout the rest of this morning's programme. Morning to you too. This morning we do have some rain around. We've also got some showers, and showers will be the order of the day for many of us. Some of those heavy and also thundery, and in between we'll have bright spells of sunshine. And you know what it's like with showers, not all of us will see them, but they will be fairly widespread today. Now we've got rain currently across Northern Ireland, North Wales. That will tend to fade. Our rain across Scotland moving up into the northeast, and then we see a plethora of showers break out. And with light winds, it does mean they will be slow moving. The other thing we've got is a weather front very close to East Anglia and Kent. That could well bring in some rain at times through the afternoon just on the coastline. But this chart at 6 o'clock this evening shows you that although there will be some early evening sunshine, you could catch a shower almost anywhere. And again, it will be slow moving and it has the potential to be heavy and also thundery. But some of us will miss them altogether and we will stay dry. Now, as we head on into the evening, some of the showers will fade, but not all of them. We'll see a cluster develop across the Midlands and into northeast England. At the same time, a weather front in the southeast will push up to the northeast, and that will bring some heavy rain, especially so into Aberdeenshire overnight. Our temperatures generally in double figures. Here and there in Glasgow, we could have 8, and in Norwich, around about 9. Now, as we head into tomorrow, this weather front will bring some rain as well, and then Saturday is going to be pushing southwards and eastwards, but it looks very much at the moment as if Sunday will be the driest day of this weekend with the fewest showers and temperatures climbing a little bit by then too. Now getting Charlie.
Thanks.
Take your brolly with you. We've got rain at the moment, which will become increasingly confined to northeast Scotland, but there's a lot of showers in today's forecast, some of which will be heavy and thundery and slow moving.